Good evening everyone, it's a pleasure to meet you all in another video. I hope today 1st of January has gone well for you. Okay, the first trading day of the year has gone well for you. Okay, so now let's look at what tomorrow Finnifty is going to do. So let's see how market has behaved today. So today there was a slight gap down opening in Finnifty and Bank Nifty. So after a gap down opening, okay, market has given us a big reversal, and then market has started fall. Okay, market has started to fall from around 21,550 region. Okay, market has started to fall. Now if you look at today's market, there is no buyers left in today's market, right? If we see, this zone is a valid seller zone, this zone is a valid seller zone, this zone is a valid buyer zone. So only these three peoples are left in today's market, right? Now talking about the analysis, in case of supports, 21,302, 320, 331, 348 and 365. These are all the important support zones for tomorrow. And in case of resistance, 21,404, 422, 439, 449 and 468. So these are all the important resistance zones for tomorrow. Okay, now let's see how the market is gonna make setups for tomorrow. So guys, watch the video till the end so that you can have a clear idea about tomorrow's market, right? So but before that, wait a minute. Okay, before that, see, we have a strong impulse from here till here, right? So if we drop fib for the strong impulse from here till here, okay, we are having our golden zone around this region, right guys? So this is to be noted. Okay, right. Now let's move on to how the market is gonna move tomorrow, right? So first of all, let's see what are all the bear probabilities are there. So talking about the bear probabilities, right? So we have a strong seller zone here. So what could happen? Market might come till 21,350 to 340 region, that is this region, and then market might reverse. Okay, and then market might reverse. If not, what could happen is that we have our extreme resistance here. Okay, that is around 21,468 area, right? This is our extreme resistance. And also if you see, the sellers here are also getting trapped around this region, so it will be easier for market to reverse. Okay, so these are all the two probabilities in case of tomorrow's Finnifty. Okay guys, that is bear probabilities. So if in case if this setup has worked, then what could happen? We have okay, wait a minute. Okay, let's see, for entries around 21,450 region, then what could happen is that, see, we have to place our stop loss above 21,460. okay, 21,460, and the first target could be around wait a minute, the first target could be around 21,389 area. Okay, and the second target is 21,366, and you have to trail the further targets, right? So this is the first bear probability of tomorrow, right? So this is the first setup. Okay, see guys, in this setup the entry may be around 21,450 or the entry may be around 21,440. okay, that is either this line or this line. Okay, right. Okay, now let's move on to the second setup. So as for, see, right, so the second setup, that is, I have told you around here, right? If you are entering here, then the stop loss has to be around above 21,480 region, and okay, and the target is of same. Okay, target is same. In case if this zone is broken, then we can expect our first green line. Then if our first green line is broken, then we can expect second green line, third green line, fourth green line, so further, right? So further lines we can expect. So this is what could happen, right? Now talking about bull probabilities, if we go into the past, right, if we look in the past, this zone has been a strong buyer zone, right? and this zone has been a strong buyer zone. Okay, so these are all the two probabilities, right? These are all the two zones. Okay, see, you can see here that we can see some wicks around here, right? So these are all the two zones where buyers have dominated. So what could happen for tomorrow is that, see, market needs to trap the buyers around this zone, right? So what could happen, market might come till 21,000 for 320 area, and then market might reverse. Okay, if not, what could happen is that, see, there is a buyer domination around this zone also. Okay, so market needs to get the SL of the buyers around this zone. See, below this zone we are having our extreme support, that is around 21,300 area. So what could happen, market might come till 21,300 and then give us some sharp up moves. Okay, now talking about the setup, let's see if we are finding our setup around 21,330 area. Okay, then our stop loss would be below 21,320 area. Okay, and then we can expect some up move. Okay, the first target for this setup is till 21,389. Okay, and then these are all the resistances. Okay, so support has obeyed, so market has to come till resistance. In case if this zone is broken, then we can expect our first our next target, that is around 21,403, and if this is broken, then next 21,420. If 420 is broken, then 21,438, and so on. Okay, like this the setup might happen. So now talking in terms of this second setup, see, market, let's assume we have some doji candle or evening star pattern around this region. Okay, the candlestick confirmation is that. Okay, then we have to place our stop loss below 21,290 region or 21,280 region. Okay, that is, there has to be a strong candle close below this region, right? Then we can expect some good up move. Okay, so this is the safest stop loss, right? So these are all the setups that could happen, guys. Now see, let's assume that if our levels hasn't obeyed, right? So what could happen, see, we have some strong price action level here. Okay, this zone, that is around 21,282, 21,275 area. So this is a strong price action zone, right? The same case of around 21,242, 21,230 area. So this, it is also a strong price action zone. So what could happen, okay, if our levels weren't obeyed, that is, okay, then what could happen, market might come till 21,282, 21,275 region, and then market might reverse. Okay, so this is one of the probabilities. Then the next probability is that, see, we have our second zone here, that is around this region we are having some levels. So what could happen, market might come till 21,240 to 21,230 area, and then market might reverse. Okay, so I hope you all got to understand the Finnifty moves for tomorrow. I hope it's clear. Okay, yep, guys, so that's what could happen tomorrow. Also, in bull moves, see, let's assume that we are finding some setups here and we are going long here. So in that cases, see, so in this case, this first green line might act as a resistance, the second green line might act as a resistance. So okay, so what I'm saying is that we have to book our first target here. Okay, if you are seeing some candlestick confirmation around this region, then we have to book some profits here. So that's what I'm coming to say. I hope you all got to understand what I'm coming to say, right? Now let's move on to Nifty analysis. Okay, guys, before going to Nifty analysis, see, here are some two important levels. Okay, the two important levels are 21,557, that is this blue line and this blue line. Okay, so these are all some two important levels for tomorrow, right? So yeah, we can find some setups here as well. Okay, that's what I need to say. Mark these levels also, and if you are finding any reversal setups around this region, then you may go around it, right? Now let's move on to Nifty 50 analysis. Okay, so talking about Nifty 50, right? Okay. So the important resistance for tomorrow could be 21,698, 708, 717, 723 and 733. So these are all the important resistance for Nifty, and important supports could be 21,676, 667, 657, 651 and 641. So these are all the important supports. Okay, now apart from these levels, mark these levels as well. Okay, that is 21,856, 21,772, 21,606, 21,523. okay guys, so these are all the important levels for Finnifty, right? So talking about Finnifty, see guys, we have some wait, right? So we have some buyers in this region. Okay, this region has been a region of buyers. So what could happen? Market might trap them and the market might reverse around here, that is around 21,667. Market might reverse. If not, what could happen is that, see, this is also a zone of buyers, right? So this is also a zone of buyers. So what could happen? See, market might reverse around 21,640, that is after trapping the buyers here. Market might move up. Okay, so these are all the two setups. Also, tomorrow, as far as Finnifty is concerned, market might reverse around this region, that is around 21,666. If not, what could happen is that, see, this zone na 21,657 to 21,651. So this is a strong demand zone, right? So there is a high probability of reversing around here, right? Okay, now talking in terms of bear move, the same probability, okay, the same probability could happen, that is market might reverse around. So this is a strong demand zone, market might reverse around here. If not, what could happen is that market might come till our extreme resistance and then market might, wait a minute, okay, and then market might reverse. Okay, so this could happen. Apart from these levels, mark these levels as well, guys. Okay, that is 21,856, 772, 606 and 523. So these also might play a major role tomorrow. Okay, so these are all major supports and resistance for tomorrow, right? So I hope you all got to clear with Nifty 50 and Finnifty analysis. So I'm not going deep into Nifty 50 because tomorrow we have Nifty expiry, so most of you will be trading Finnifty, right? So that's why I have given deep analysis for Finnifty and not for Nifty 50. I hope you all got to learn something new in this video. If so, subscribe. Okay, also guys, Finnifty na, these setups are zero hero expiry setups, right? The zero hero setups. So don't have much greed, right? So try to book profits then and then, right? Wish you all a safe trading. Please make sure to subscribe this video, join our Telegram channel for lively updates. Okay, see you all in another video. Bye.